Hello, kiddies, and welcome to Sunshine Growling with Christian. It's me, Candy the Cat Morale. Today we are let's read whoever requested this video. Perfecto Penguin. Can you do please from dude from Five Nights at Candy's. I always wanted to see her skinny was drawing away like mad. Okay, and the YouTuber who made this is this one. You can see her up here. I'm her new subscriber. And let's see. She rated me too. Now let's get started. Oh, I'm watching on the phone. Oh, there she is. No, too scared, missus. Here we go. I see. And you? Okay. Why are you sorry? I'm your brother, Candy the Cat. We work together at Candy's Burgers and Fries. Oh, Dragon! Jump scare! What the hell? This is just a stupid thing. Gee. Yes, I like your bow tie. Why not? Yes. Okay. Last week, what do you mean, Cindy? Yeah, I scare people too, forgot. A question for me, okay, Cindy? To be a human, you know we have... Human? Oh, is that that is mango. That is human mango. Okay. Okay, here we go. Yes, I know. Cindy, I'm not stupid. I'm your brother. Why I didn't say anything. You don't have a skinny waist. Not in the stomach. You're tired of yourself too much. I think so too. Here we go again. Wait, what? Oh, I've ate all of the food, sorry. Now I feel not hungry. Oh, now I can't be not hungry because I ate all of the food from that dinner in the restaurant. Oh, and I forgot to invite Cindy. Sorry, sis. You feel embarrassed? Let me guess. Right now. You feel embarrassed, Cindy. Why? You feel... I'm not laughing on you. You're my sister. Yes, you're cute. You're my sister. Okay. Yay, let's hug my sister. You give Cindy a warm hug. Really? It was more better if I don't. Oh, what am I saying? I'm Candy the Cat. I always hug my sister. Okay, sure. Sure. Everything that you. Okay, then. Yes, sure. You're my sister. I'm doing everything for you. Okay. Let's go. You put your ears in the stomach until singing blushes. Okay, that was pretty weird and cool at the same time. What? To eat me? Are you crazy? No, please. Don't eat me. I like your... No, 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 please, no. No, 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 no. Fuck. Cows. Jesus Christ. Okay, then, if you wanna play like this. The end. That was the strangest video I've ever saw. Well, that's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see ya later. Bye-bye.